Hello everyone, I'm just in the garden and I just got this surge of gratitude and I want to share it with you because there are a few plants that I'm growing this year for the very first time, and I just feel very proud of myself, and I'm really enjoying these lovely blooms. So come and I'll show you which ones they are. Right, first one on the list must be this lovely stalk. So beautiful, and it smells so divine, and the stem is really long as well, so it makes for a lovely cut flower. It looks beautiful in bouquets and it smells so divine. Second one is this tobacco plant, or a nicotiana, and yes, I said it's the very first time I'm growing these. I have it in a different color, which I'll show you in a second as well. They smell really nice. Sorry about that, that's feather. Yes, sorry, excuse me. So yeah, they smell really nice, especially at night. The only problem is that they are really sticky, and I knew about this from my research before. As you can see, it's full of flies and everything basically gets on it because of the residue, the sticky residue that's there. So yeah, it's lovely in the garden, maybe not for cut flower. And this is the other color of the tobacco plant. Another flower that I'm growing from seed this year for the very first time is this Anthurium. I just find them so funny. Ever since I was a little kid, I used to play with them. We call them sweet kisses because they open their mouths like this. Again, very tiny seed, and I'm so proud of myself. They're branching really nicely as well, and I have different colors. This one in particular I love, so lovely, and this one is very pretty too. And I do have white ones somewhere as well. Let me just quickly show you. There. Oh, that one's got some bugs on. Right, Strawflower is up next, and let's just listen to this. It's crazy, those crinkled, dry petals. I'm growing all sorts of colors, so pink, there's white, and it's got a lot of blooms. I can't remember whether I pinched them or not. I have a feeling I have not, but they're branching really nicely, you can see. And they look like this when they're opening, like this when they're open. And straw flowers are really good because you can also dry them for wreaths and for autumn arrangements. So if I don't cut them into bouquets, I will just cut the stems and dry them. And a very weird thing about straw flowers is that I always thought they're very old-fashioned, because I always remember them from home, from like very folkish places. So yeah, it's a cool flower though. Lovely. Last one I want to show you is this Panoram, and I didn't really think I'm actually gonna grow these very well, but they are growing like crazy. They're flowering. Can't remember exactly what variety this is, but they're beautiful. And they look amazing in bouquets. So I am very proud for this one to be actually growing so nicely and blooming. I mean, look at that. Oh, that's feathers hair. Look at that. So pretty. And the leaves are very nice. Look at the lime green leaves. And the flowers, panicles. Amazing. I really hope you enjoyed this short clip of mine, and
I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.